everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. I have a fun video today. This is a new kit from Vectoria Designs. I will have the link to that in the description box. This is Peter Rabbit's Adventure. This is such a cute kit. I have got this fun closure on it, and this is a closure I have done on my last little journal. It's just a fun way to close it and send it out. Super simple. I just have a piece of wide cloth here, and I just kind of pinch it in the middle and then have this little strip. I just have that little strip there and tie it together. So if you can't remember, if you should get this journal and you cannot remember, super simple. You just pinch it and then take it and tie it. So just a super simple little closure, just fun. So anyway, let's show you this fun journal. So this here, I have just used some corrugated board here for both the front cover and the back cover. And I made the cover actually smaller than the journal. I just want it to be fun and kind of sloppy. And so that is what I've done. Here is your spine. It is a one signature. And didn't do anything to the back. Here's the back cover with a cute little image. And then the front, I've just added some of these little cream rosettes and added another little fun trim there. So you open it up, and I have got a pocket here, and I've just kind of done some layering with some dictionary page and different things. I have just a little booklet here that I have put a couple of tags in for journaling. Now these tags are stuck in. They don't come off. But here is a fun little booklet there. And then this page here is not even attached in the signature. It is actually attached to the cover. I added just a little bit of masking tape, and so it is actually separate from the signature. And here is a little band I have just left empty. It would be really easy to set something in it, maybe a letter, or just something fun that you want to put in there. And then I've added this is a little file folder that you can journal in, or you can lay something in. Just fun. I did some white stitching here. You can't hardly see it, but I just went with white and thought that would be fun. Here you can kind of see it on the back side there. Added some of the images. This is just the paper I printed on both sides of it. Here's just a couple of little tags that I cut out, fussy cut out a couple of carrots and stapled them to the top of the tag, back the tag, and some just stained paper. Made that pocket out of this graph paper and added cottontail, the words there that come in the kit. Fussy cut out Peter Rabbit there. Just some really pretty images. I've got memories here. I've got it stitched around this page here. Just super cute images. And I have actually just backed this page on a dyed stained paper. Here's a little smaller image. So what I have done with my images is I've actually scaled them down for the smaller ones. You know, maybe left them the scale they were when I printed them for here. So some are going to be scaled down, some are not. Here's just some of the fun words, and I took and I stitched on both sides of those words there for that page. Here's another one of the pretty images. I love the colors. Here is another one I've done some stitching on. This is kind of just all different types of papers I've used. So, but the images, some of them are No, I think I actually copied all of the papers on a nice white Hammerhill premium color paper. So you can tell how vibrant the colors are in this kit. And here I did some fussy cutting and added it here on this. This is just an old vintage paper here. I believe it was for the telephone company. And then here I've just done some stitching, added luggage. Peter Rabbit's a setting on his luggage, which is absolutely adorable. He is fussy cut out, and I've backed him on some of that carrot paper there. Here's just a piece I have stitched around and just made a little page that we could kind of just put in the book. I've added some vintage laces here for little tabs. This is a big lace here. I've just kind of stapled it on. It is glued on a little bit to keep it from ripping the page, but some of that fun tape there. This is probably my favorite page. I love this page right here. I love the image. I love this one too. This is super cute. Here is just some vintage lace there on a little, like a little half-torn page there. Here I've got Journey. And here's Peter Rabbit. He's got his carrots on his luggage. Super cute. Here's a little pocket I've made out of a dictionary page. This was gifted to me. This is super cute dictionary page there. It's very big. A very big book that it must have come out of. Here are just 3 little tags. I've got lovely carrots there on the pocket. Here's a little fussy cut, little watermelon and cabbage. Here's another page that I've just added to the book where you could pull it out and you could add a photo, you could journal on the back of it. Here's the center of the signature, added a couple little vintage buttons there. Here is another little file folder cutout from the kit. And I have just got it stuck to the page. Here is the other half of that dictionary page pocket. I have fussy cut this little bag out, and I've got travel up here. And then here is a couple of little tags I put in the pocket. And you could just kind of journal on the back if you want. And I've got Sweet Friend there. Here's just a piece of that wide linen like I have tied to the front, or wrapped in the front. Added some vintage tape there. Here's another little pocket from the kit. This is just cut out and of course glued down. And then I have some little postcard there. That's a little ticket from the kit. And for most part I have you know, copied or printed the paper, a backing on it from one of the other papers. So this is just a fun little, I have fussy cut the little bird out. And this was actually an old envelope. And this is fussy cut out right here. And it's, you could journal here on the bottom. Love, love, love this. I think the bird was on there, yes. Because I had fussy cut some of the birds out. And I thought, well, maybe I have put him on there. But I think he came with that particular image. And then here I've got some stitching, and I've got Hurry just for a paper tab. And I know the white is hard to see, but I did actually quite a bit of stitching in this book. Here I've just used some rosettes. This is West Paris. I love the little wreath there. And then here's some more of that vintage lace. Here I've added a little, just a little journaling paper there that you can pull out. Here I kind of ripped these apart. I was just working, I was just kind of playing around, and I ripped them apart. And then I think I spaced them a little too far, so then I decided to kind of decorate over. So I've added nature and adventure, and then I've added this carrot inside this other carrot, and it just came out cute. So anyway, and then I of course stitched around that, the whole thing. And then I've added just some fun little images there. This here is actually a little envelope. There's Peter Rabbit, his mama. And then on the inside, I've just added a little paper for you to journal on. There's really nothing in here other than just a little piece to journal on. Just a little piece of journaling paper here. And then I just added that little word happiness and just kind of clipped it on there and put it in the little envelope. Okay. And then this just clips on the top of the page. Okay, and then here is another little piece of lace. Oh yeah, there's the little veggie garden with the little bird on it. Here is just like a little collage on one of these little playing card score sheets. And here is little Peter Rabbit again. There's the big veggie garden one. Here is another little file folder. These are so cute. And I've just bent the tab down on it is what I did. And then here is just another fun little... Now this is actually on a more cardstock here. The others were just kind of printed on stained paper. So, and then here I've added some fun vintage lace there. Here is that image there. And it does have repeat images in here. This is some fussy cutting here. And then I've just added Peter Rabbit from the words and did my little fancy stitching there. Here I've got adventure. And then another little pocket here. And this is another one of those with the tags. The little booklet with the tags in it. And then just a couple of just fun little tags there. So, our journaling spots. Here's another piece of that squared lace. This pocket doesn't have anything in it here. You can fill it with whatever you like. This is actually a vintage envelope that I picked up at an estate sale. The date of it is, I believe it says 70. April of 70. So this I just, like I said, I picked up at an estate sale. And I just loved how the craft felt. And I thought that'd be a great place to put receipts or photos or just whatever you want it to hold in. It is not attached to the signature other than by this. So that is the only thing holding it in. And then here I've got this little journaling paper here. And, oh, I think it opens on up. I can't remember how I did it now. There we go. And what I did was I actually stitched around each piece so it could actually be like a journaling one thing here, journal something else here and here. And when you go to the inside, you can do the same thing. You've got like 4 journaling spots. So I just thought that was kind of fun to maybe do that in this. And of course I fussy cut the little image there. And that is the back of the book. So anyway, there is little Peter Rabbit's adventure. How fun. This will be going in the Etsy shop if anybody's interested. Be sure and check out Vectoria Designs. Like I said, I will put the link in the description box. Peter Rabbit's Adventures, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.